Hi everyone, welcome back to Gedo. Today we will show you how to replace the front and rear cameras on the Motorola Moto G Fast mobile phone. To start, we need the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, take out the back cover from the body. To remove the back cover, it needs to heat gently around the back cover edges until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the back card on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till it completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Next, create an opening using a suction cup. And then insert a plastic car pry tool or something similar to cut the adhesive around the back cover. Next, gently take out the back cover by holding the fingerprint button. Next, pull out the logic board frame with the lens by undoing 10 screws. Next, disconnect the battery plug by moving the fingerprint button. Next, disconnect and pull out the networking wide, ultra wide and macro cameras from the logic board. Next, pull out the networking front camera from the board. For this, you need to pull out the logic board from the body. First, disconnect both LCD and main flex connectors, and then both antenna heads from the board. Next, release the earpiece adhesive, and then eject the SIM tray. Next, gently pull out the logic board. Next, flip the board to disconnect and pull out the front camera from the board. Next, secure the new front camera to the board. Next, place and secure the logic board on the frame. Next, secure the earpiece adhesive and then insert the SIM tray. Next, connect both antenna heads, LCD and main flex to the logic board. Next, secure the new wide, ultra wide and macro cameras to the board. Select the required broken camera and place it on the board. Next, connect the battery plug. Next, secure the board frame by adding 10 screws. Next, place the fingerprint button. Next, before installing the main back cover, ensure it has enough glue. If not, use B7000 glue or new double-sided back cover adhesive. Finally, we are adding binding clips to tie in the rear car with the body. If not, you can use some rubber bands and leave them for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.